Hello, welcome back to Benny's Take. I'm your girl Benny, and for this week's adventure, we're actually gonna be in New York City. So let's go. You didn't think I was gonna be done that quick, did you? So before we even get started, please make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you always know when I upload, and also follow me on IG. I was about to say IG and Instagram. Them is the same thing, okay? TikTok, Facebook, all of the things, okay? So now for real, let's go. First of all, tell me why we trying to be bougie. We say we're gonna go ahead and buy the business class ticket for the train. Tell me what we get in here. They put us in separate seats, okay? And I was with this white family. They're playing cards and Uno with their kids. So it was like the couple and their kid, and then the other seat was for me. And then literally I was just sitting there like pissed. So we spent an additional $60 to get business class seats, and it wasn't even all that. Literally, don't do that to yourself. You know, get on the train, keep it simple. If you're using Amtrak, this regular train, as opposed to the regular train, the regular, economy is really good. You have the charger, the AC, you literally have everything you need. And the motherfuckers was talking about how we had complimentary, access to the cafe. They meant some water and a soda and some cranberry juice. Don't nobody want that. That ain't no complimentary nothing. So now we have to hop on a different train to head to where we're going. So stay tuned. Yo, I have never been to Penn Station, but this place is nice. Low-key, this is like super modern and everything. It looks really nice. Let me show you the clock that I just peeped. So we're off the train. Now I do have to say, I love me a good adventure, but taking trains stress me out. Because I be like, what is my exit? Because if y'all remember when I was in Chicago, my behind took the wrong exit, then I still had to Uber. So trains be stressing me out. But we're out, and then now we're gonna go to the color factory, and I'm so excited because that place just has all the vibes, giving all of the vibes. So that's what we're gonna be doing, and I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, so I want to do this because it kind of matches my dress, and because I'm pretty, I'm also going to do this. Don't do me. Oh, this is nice. Why did I act like I had never been nowhere? But this is really nice. So, all of buttons. This place is beautiful. Oh my gosh. The macarons, by the way, were really fire. It was giving everything, okay? Everything. Wait, so is this drawing activity? We're supposed to be drawing and stuff, and I'm like, don't play with my skills, because I'm gonna be out here. I'm gonna be out here. So, you ready? Oh, we get this. Thank you. I was a little confused. I was like, what's going on? And I take our card. Look at me. Make it big. A gelato. Don't do me. So Color Factory was everything and then some. I felt like a child. Really enjoyed that. And from there we Ubered, tried to check into a hotel. And then they were talking about how the rooms that were available when we went to check in had like a connecting door, which means the other people would have access to our room and we would have access to their room. It would be locked, but we will only be separated by a door instead of an actual wall. So it's just like we'll wait the additional 45 minutes they said, and while we're waiting we're gonna go try to get some Mexican food. So that's that. We had like an hour and some change to just like relax. First of all, remember how I told you guys they wanted to put us in a room that's like connected to like another room? Well, when we came back here, they give us a room, we go in. I was out here recording and everything. Come to find out, they still put us in a room that's like connected to another room. So we had to come all the way back and be like, yo, don't do us. So then they moved us in a different room. We were there. So I got to settle in, looked at some of the pictures, this, that, and the third, which was nice, just a little bit of a rest. Then I got ready, and I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna put my hair down and just like tidy it up. We're gonna go to like a little cruise. I'm excited for it. I've done cruises before, so I'm excited for this cruise to just kind of like see New York at night, which I'm excited for. And like dummies, as we were leaving our room, we literally forgot the key cards. So we had to come back at the front desk and be like, yo, we forgot our key card. Y'all let us in so we can get the key card. So now we're just waiting for the lift to come. We're actually cutting it really tight, so hopefully we make it. And yeah, This is a shirt that I got from Windsor. It has like the support, you know, which is helpful. And I just got this pants from Shein. Let me try to show you. So yeah, this is the outfit. The shirt from Windsor, pants from Shein, bag from my sister's boutique, and just like old shoes that I have. But yeah, I don't have a full body mirror, so this will have to do. Good morning. It's the next day. I know I haven't checked in since, you know, the cruise. The cruise was just gonna be the cruise because I just wanted to be present and really just like soak in the time and not be so. You guys will see some footage of that, but it wasn't a lot of like, you know, talking from my side. But now checking out of the hotel. Oh, let me do this. Okay, the light is better this way. Checking out of the hotel. It was a nice day. Again, it's New York. Please don't expect the world. You're gonna get the space they give you. Could be a box, could be a mansion, but mostly a box. So we're checking out, and then from here we're gonna try to see the 9/11 museum, grab a little lunch, and then we found this spot called like Little Island. It's like it's built on this like little mushroom shaped thingies. But again, sandals from yesterday, same shorts, same bag, my little t-shirt. And I like the way I did my hair. Like I put it in a little bit of a half bun up here, just like these ones are dangling. Last night I had it in a low bun. Today I was like, let me put it in a little, you know, high bun and give it a little baby girl situation. So body is bodying, okay? Everything bodying, and yeah, forgot to mention, but because we still have a little running around to do, the hotel is gonna hold, you know, a bag for us, that way we're not like, you know, walking around with luggage, which is very, very good. And we did stay at the Holiday Inn, common not restaurant, common hotel, mostly popular, but it do what it do. Beautiful. We just came from the ground zero, and we're just talking about it. It's like, you know, there's gotta be a time and a place for everything. Obviously, you know, that remembers the people that were lost during 9/11. It just felt very just like cringy for me to be there like, hi guys, this is where I'm at. That's just like, at a certain point we have to have respect, because like, think about it, if you were the loved one of somebody who passed away doing that, like, how are you even posting that as a picture? Being like, so I'm at the ground zero. Like, that's, you know, we have to draw the line between content and just like respect for humanity and human beings. And that was like a clear distinction for me. But we are the World Center, which, you know, seems like it's vibing. I love it so much. Yo. They got mad chocolate too. Look at this. Sugar fina, like syrupy. Okay, I want some chocolate. Which one do you want? You're the chocolate expert, so show me which one to wish you. These ones have alcohol, you guys. We're trying to figure out, this one has what? What is this? So this is literally outside of the World Center. There's so many food trucks. We just went and took pictures by those colorful murals. They're so colorful. Let me show y'all. See that? So pretty. It's just like a lot of activities. Now we're trying to go to the restaurant that we wanted to go to. Now the temptation is we actually are looking at some of this street food and I'm like, I am hungry, okay? But we're gonna stay strong because that restaurant we really wanna try it. So that's that. But this is gorgeous.
It's too small.
It is too small.
No, you're probably 8.5, yeah.
Probably. I do like this cut though. Welcome to Little Island. We are going to be staying here for a little while, hence the backpack. Before we go home, I'm actually proud of us because we did everything we said we are going to be doing. And we also saw the ground zero, and now we're at Little Island. It's really beautiful. We found it by, because I was like, we couldn't figure out the name when we were driving, but I was like, oh, it looks like a mushroom. We went on Google. And it was Little Mushroom Island, so here we are. Let's go. Doesn't that look like a cartoon's eyeball? Okay.